Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. I feel like the camera angle is all weird, but I can never set it up twice the same way, so whatever. Today we're here to unbox my spring FabFitFun box. This is the last box that I'll be getting because I purchased a year with the annual plan, and this is what I've done for years. I'll get it for a year, I'll take a while off, I'll get it for a year. I do like the subscription service, but it isn't an essential. This will be the last one that I'm getting. I have not opened it yet. I took the label off and it started kind of peeling the label off, but I haven't opened it yet. I remember one thing that I chose, but otherwise I don't remember the rest. Let's open it up. I do know that there was some, oh gosh, George, get down. Some pretty exciting spring things to choose. I remember there were gardening gloves and garden shears, and I can't remember if I chose those or not. What, buddy? Get up here. Okay, George is here. He's very annoying. What do you mean? Sir? Dad said you just went out. Bro. George! Do you have to go potty? Then get off of my lap and let me let you out. When George has to go to the bathroom, he jumps up on you and starts licking your neck. It's so weird. Apparently I can let the dog out. You go potty? Well, let's go. Let's go. We're opening the box now. For some reason, you're unaware. FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. It has lifestyle, beauty, health, wellness, clothing, home, jewelry, makeup, a whole mishmash of things. If you pay for the annual subscription, which means you're paying for a year of boxes, you get to choose every item in the box, which I believe it's 6 items. I'm not sure how many you get to choose if you just do it month or, do it quarterly. You also get a discount on the box if you purchase the annual subscription. So this is what the box looks like. It's very springy. I have a bunch of videos to film today, so my office is a disaster. And the table that I'm using is covered with books because I have to film a book video, but that's going to take more time, so I'm doing this one first. There's always a HelloFresh coupon in here. This one's good for 11 free meals, and you get a free knife. Cool. So the first thing in here, I don't remember which customization option this was, so I'm just pulling stuff out, is from Skin & Co. This is the Divine Nectar Shower Oil, and this is the box, and this is the lotion, or oil. It's a plastic bottle, but that's really pretty. There's a little cap. Oh, hold on, we have a stopper, which is great. What does this smell like? Oh, that smells good. It has a very mild scent, but very clean, but it just smells clean. The directions, let's see, apply to body, lather into a moisturizing milky foam, and rinse. Listen, I love a shower product. Oh, this is the item that I remember I chose. This is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin CC stick, and I have the color Guava. I'm almost out of the stick that I have of this, so I just thought there wasn't anything that I desperately longed for in this customization, so I thought, well, I know I like this product, and I'm gonna need to repurchase one, so this is what it looks like. Just under eye corrector. So a restock item. Okay, I did choose garden gloves, which I chose these items at the end of January. We've had one of the coldest winters in Michigan in as long as I can remember. I didn't look up any statistics, but it was not above like 18 degrees for like 6 weeks or something. It was, and then a lot of those days were 0 or negative temperatures. It's been so cold. So I was desperate for spring when I chose the items for this box. And I also think that you cannot have too many gardening gloves because I don't find that they wash very well, especially leather, like rose pruning gloves. How do you wash that? I don't ever think they wash very well. So I chose gardening gloves. This is from the Floral Society. I don't have the prices for everything listed on the screen because I don't remember what they are. I believe these were like $35 if I'm not mistaken. I think this is 28-ish. I have no clue how much that is. I'm not gonna open these just yet because it's February, so I'm not quite ready for rose gardening yet. But I really like the long rose cuff, like the long cuff, and I just thought, you know, let's embrace your old age, Amanda. Okay. The next thing is something from Coach. I'm not really a designer person. Like, I don't have a designer bag. I don't care about it. But this is jewelry, and I probably chose this thinking my daughter might like it. This is the, it does not have a name, but it's just a cute little, oh, there's a little piece of plastic on it. Let's take that off. Cute little heart pendant with the C on it. I really wish it didn't have the C on it. And it was just a heart. But that's cute and delicate and dainty, and my daughter might like that. I really don't remember choosing that, but apparently I did. Oh, the next thing I chose is from Salt and Stone. I have been fortunate enough to get PR from Salt and Stone on a few different occasions, and I really enjoy their products. Specifically this scent, the Bergamot and Hinoki. This is their Bergamot and Hinoki body lotion. And, you know, everything is dry. My hands are so dry. This, I might carry this one around in my purse, but if not, it'll be a good desk lotion. But I love the Bergamot and Hinoki scent. It is in an aluminum tube, so you can roll it down and really squeeze every little bit of it out. I'm not quite ready to open this yet, but it has the little metal stabber thing to open it. However, I like the Salt and Stone products that I've tried. I have several of their fragrances. Have I tried a lotion? I've tried some of their body wash. Really enjoy their products. So, I know I like this scent, so that was an easy pick for me. And then the last thing was a duo from Living Proof. This is their Perfect Hair Day shampoo and conditioner for dull, dry hair. I don't necessarily think I have dry hair, but I have used this in the past, I think, and I enjoyed it enough to select it for this round of goodies. Did I need any more shampoo or conditioner? No. But I know I liked this, so I normally try to choose things that I haven't tried, or if there's something in a customization that I am not wowed by, I just choose the most expensive thing. And this time I didn't do that. I just chose stuff that was useful, which is how it should be. But sometimes I don't do that. So I will definitely be using some garden gloves. I am almost out of my current under eye brightener. I've never used a shower oil, I don't think. So that's exciting. We always use shampoo, you know, between me and my daughter, we have, well, she has a ton of hair, but we always need shampoo and conditioner. That's not true, but we use a lot of it. I knew I liked this scent, and then I thought that this cutie little necklace. Get in there, buddy. Get the little C. So as I mentioned, all of the prices for the individual products were on the screen as I was talking about them, and then the total retail value for the entire box is here. You get FabFitFun. Let me know what you chose for your spring items. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you in my next video.